Yeah. First adjustment is over, second adjustment is over, and third adjustment is started. That is provision of 10% is created on debtors. आरडीडी है भाई. आरडीडी का इफेक्ट क्या होता है फाइनल अकाउंट्स में? हाँ जी हाँ, फाइनल अकाउंट्स. ब्रश अप करो फर्स्ट लेसन. यस, डेबिट पे और लेस फ्रॉम डेटर्स, right? So same effect will occur. Which account debit side? Revaluation account debit side to RDD. What is the amount? 10%. See, we have to calculate that first. RDD है 10%, 26,000 पे 10%. If it is 10%, no need to think. एक ज़ीरो कट कर दो. एक ज़ीरो कट कर दो तो you will get that amount 2,600. Correct? So it will be 23,400. Fine, 23,400 is your balance. Now whatever I have subtracted that I will write here. बहुत बच्चों को कन्फ्यूजन है कि मिस ये अमाउंट लिखना है या ये अमाउंट लिखना है. जस्ट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, जो इनर कॉलम लिखते हो दैट अमाउंट यू हैव टू राइट. Add or less, whatever, you have to write that amount. Okay? Yeah. Now adjustment number 3 is over. अभी थोड़ा final account start किया मैंने. Similar to that. Fourth question. Land and building is valued at 80,000. Now valued का मतलब क्या है? Whenever this word is there ना, valued, what to do with that? It will be written in outer column. Yeah, so it will be written in a outer column. 80,000 outer column में लिखा. कैसे आया 80? 60 plus 20 ना, तो मतलब this plus this, that is 20,000. ओके, सो दैट इज एक्चुअली एप्रिसिएशन. बढ़ गया वैल्यू. लैंड का वैल्यू मोस्टली बढ़ ही जाता है, कभी ऐसे नहीं होता लैंड की वैल्यू कम हो गई. Correct? So most of the cases land and building will always have appreciation. Add. Okay? Add. तो second effect of land is appreciation बोले तो credit side. Buy land 20,000. Okay? Now remember one thing. Depreciation हो मतलब यहाँ लेस किया, यहाँ पर लेस किया तो इफेक्ट आता है रीवैल्यूएशन डेबिट पे, और यहाँ ऐड किया तो इफेक्ट आता है रीवैल्यूएशन क्रेडिट पे. ओके, यस. नाउ इन हियर आई विल राइट द रूल्स ऑल्सो साइमल्टेनियसली कि इफ इट इज़ अ रिडक्शन इन द वैल्यू और लेस इन असेट, हाँ, where will be the effect? Revaluation debit side. Okay, less from asset and revaluation debit side. But if it is add to asset जैसे कि appreciation, then the effect is revaluation credit side. Fine, this is our rule. Now coming to next adjustment. See, I have finished this adjustment also. Now last part is remaining. Stock and plant and machinery is reduced by 20%. Now where is your stock? Stock 40,000 पे 20%. Calculate. Stock पे 20%, less 20%. Depreciation जैसा. हाँ, rough work में करो. How much? Stock is 40,000. On that 20%, that is 20 upon 100, zero cut, and the value is 4 2s are 8, 1 2 3, 3 zeros. बहुत से बच्चों को इस मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं आता ये वाला, तो दे डू सेपरेटली. वाई? अरे बाबा इतने सारे ज़ीरोज़ हैं ना, पुट ज़ीरोज़. 1 2 3, 3 zeros will come, and 4 2s are 8. So answer is 8,000. 8,000 is your answer. Subtract 32,000. Okay. Now, rule. How we have applied. This is less. Asset is less, right? See what I have written. Asset is less. So second effect goes to revaluation debit side. तो मैंने असेट लेस किया है. यस. सो वेयर विल बी द सेकेंड इफेक्ट? रिवैल्यूएशन डेबिट साइड. एंड विच अमाउंट? 8,000. यस. जो मैंने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया वो लिखना है, ना कि आउटर कॉलम वाला अमाउंट. क्लियर? एवरीवेयर वी आर राइटिंग इनर कॉलम अमाउंट जो हम सब्ट्रैक्ट किए या ऐड किए. सो 8,000 विल बी योर डेप्रिसिएशन, स्टॉक का डेप्रिसिएशन. दिस इज योर रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट टू स्टॉक. 8,000. नाउ लास्ट एडजस्टमेंट, वन मोर, मशीनरी सेम है 20%. सेम मेथड. 70,000 पे 20% कैलकुलेट करो. दैट कम्स टू 14,000 ना. 7 2 14. यू कैन सॉल्व हियर कि 70,000 यहाँ पे करूँ. 70,000 into 20%. Zero cut. 7 2s are 14 and put zeros. Don't do separately. इसका multiplication इधर ही करना है. Fine. And now second effect. See what I have done. The subtraction part is left. Yes, it is coming 56,000. Correct? It is coming 56,000. Now second effect. What I have done? Add or less? Yes, it is less. Less बोले तो check your rule. Less in asset, revaluation debit side. 2. What is that? Plant. And what was my amount? कितना आया था? 14,000. Again, which amount I have written? Inner column amount. All adjustments are done. All postings are done. Goodwill, capital, debtors, land and building, stock and plant. See, this is a rule for assets. Sorry. Where it is? किधर गया रे? Here. This is a rule of assets कि less from asset करो तो revaluation debit side and add to asset करो तो revaluation credit side. Okay? Now, see, we have done all postings now. In first video, half of the posting was over. This is our second video. We have finished all postings, but totaling part is left. Totaling how many minutes? 5 minutes. Not more than that. Maximum difficulty हो तो 7-8 minutes दे दो, 10 दे दो बाबा, ठीक है. Not more than that. Otherwise बाकी का पेपर रह जाएगा. Okay, चलो, let us do totaling part now. Revaluation account totaling. Revaluation account totaling part. Sorry. Yes. Credit side. What is the amount on credit side? Only one amount, that is 20,000. But what is the amount on debit side? 14 plus 4 plus 2,600. Yes, ये वाला amount greater लग रहा है. Whichever is greater, this is a rule of ledger कि whichever is greater, we will post that. Correct? So which is greater amount? This is greater amount. 14 plus 8 plus 2. That is 24,600. 24,600. Check your amounts. This plus this plus this. अलग लिख के करो, नहीं तो नहीं हुआ बराबर से तो. So 24,600 is the total. Same is written on right hand side. Now what to do? Subtract credit side total. So this minus this, that comes to 4,600. If it comes on credit side, it is always called loss. It is always called loss. And this loss is to be distributed in Sujata for... I've explained earlier that whatever loss or profit कुछ भी हो जाए, that is always distributed to whom? Distributed to old partners, right? That is always distributed to old partner. Distributing this to old partners divided by 2. Can you see this clearly? Clear? Adjust करो थोड़ा. Wait. Okay. Divide by 2, that comes to 2,300. Yeah, now it is clear, na? Good. 2,300. Divide by 2, you can do it. S&P बोले तो सुजाता एंड पूर्णिमा, यू हैव टू राइट होल नेम. चलो, ट्रांसफर दिस ऑन डेबिट साइड. कुछ भी क्रेडिट में हो वो पूरा का पूरा डेबिट में जाता है. 2 and heading will be revaluation loss because that's a loss. Amount will be 2300 और अपर्णा को कुछ भी नहीं because she was not there earlier. तो न्यू पार्टनर को प्रॉफिट भी नहीं मिलता है और शेयर भी नहीं होता है. नाउ क्लोजर ऑफ दिस. Find all these totals on credit side. Same totals are written on debit side. Okay. So this is 1 lakh plus this is 20,000. That comes to 1,20,000. Zero देखो, zero बराबर डालना है. Then 140 plus 20, that is 1,60,000. And this is only 1 lakh. So 1 lakh same. Same total is written on debit side. फाइनल अकाउंट का भी यही रूल था. लेसन नंबर 1 सेम. हाँ, सो 1,20,000 हियर. देन सेकेंड टोटल 1,60,000 हियर एंड थर्ड टोटल 1 lakh इट इज हियर. फाइन. सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस माइनस दिस माइनस दिस, वट एवर डेबिट साइड इज देयर सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. सब्ट्रैक्ट. चलो 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 फास्ट फास्ट. 1,20,000 minus 2,300. That comes to what? 17. Just check your answer. It is coming this. Similarly, second amount also same. Credit side total is checked and debit side total is also checked. 1,17,700 and 1,57,700. 1,57,700. तो that will be 2 balance carried down. Okay. कैसे किया ये मैंने? सर्कल इट. कैसे किया मैंने? सेम टोटल, दिस माइनस दिस, so this amount. एंड इसका तो 1 lakh आएगा. सॉरी, this will be 1 lakh because here there is no amount. Correct? So these are the balances. Where to record these balances? Liability side, because these are balances ना. Liability side, ये जगह छोड़ा है ना हमने. We have to write there Sujata's capital, then Purnima's capital, Aparna's capital, and write all balances. 1,17,700, 1,57,700 and 1 lakh. अपर्णा को तो अमाउंट को टच ही नहीं हुआ, कैपिटल को. करेक्ट. नाउ फाइंड द टोटल ऑफ दिस साइड एंड फाइंड द टोटल ऑफ दिस साइड. इट हैज़ टू टैली. If you check your amount, it will come 4,35,400. 4,35,400. Okay, and same will be this amount. Just check it. 4,35,400. चेक करो और मुझे बताओ कि is it coming same or different. You can take a snapshot if you want. Revaluation page का capital and all taken and balance sheet done with these rules. These rules are important. Yes. Now we have almost finished everything in 20 minutes. While explaining also we took 20 minutes. तो इंडिविजुअली तुम लोग करोगे तो यू हैव टू फिनिश इन 20 मिनट्स, राइट. यू डोंट हैव टू वेस्ट टाइम. इधर उधर नहीं देखना है. दैट्स अ पेपर. डोंट सी हियर एंड देयर. डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम. ओके, चलो प्रैक्टिस दिस सम्स. सॉल्व 2-3 सम्स so that you can easily do admission of partner. If you want, I will take one more revision of admission of partner because some adjustments are pending, especially new ratio adjustment pending है and sacrifice ratio. Actually I have uploaded one video 1 month back, regarding sacrifice ratio, new ratio, gain ratio, everything. Just check it out. Otherwise, I'm going to take in this lecture also, second lecture. Okay. So see you part 2 after 2 days. तब तक के लिए bye bye. Take care.